If you found this video, understand it's no coincidence. You were guided here not to wish for money, but to finally claim it. Sit with me, close your eyes, and let me guide your mind into wealth, as I've done for millionaires before you. You must release every lie, every thought of not enough. Breathe in, slowly. Exhale the belief that money is hard to earn. Again, inhale wealth. Exhale fear. Say this with me now. Money is easy for me. I am a magnet for wealth. I deserve to be rich. Let that settle in. Let your nervous system absorb it. You are not broke. That's a false identity. You are wealth. Learning to remember itself. Say this with me with certainty. My bank accounts overflow. I am aligned with money. Money loves me. Don't just speak it. Feel it. Imagine opening your phone and seeing numbers you've never seen. Seeing zeros multiply like waves. Emotion is the glue that binds thought to reality. So I ask you, how would it feel to be free? To pay every bill with ease? To never check your balance before a purchase? Say it now. Freedom is my natural state. Money follows me effortlessly. Picture the smile on your face. See your loved ones stress-free. It's already done. Repeat each phrase slowly, with power. I am wealthy now. Opportunities flow to me. Unexpected money finds me daily. My mind is tuned to wealth. Every dollar I spend returns multiplied. I am rich. I am safe. I am powerful. Again, I am wealthy now. You are not the same person who pressed play. You've shifted, realigned. Now listen closely. To seal this energy, you must give it life. Comment, "I receive abundance" below. Then share this video with someone who needs it, not just for them, but because sharing multiplies your own wealth. You are ready. Let money find you. Let abundance follow you. Wealth is now yours.